Hello everyone, this is Sid and welcome to my kitchen. First, before we get into the video, I want to quickly show you how to sharpen your knife because having a sharp knife is essential in the kitchen. So how many times have you sharpened your knives? If you haven't before, it's so easy, I can show you. Get your sharpening steel and your knife. Put your knife 45 degrees angle against the steel, like this, and then slide from the bottom across a few times until it gets sharpened. You need to slide it in both sides of the knife, like this, 1, 2, 3, until it gets sharpened, right? So when you're comfortable, you can slide it in, make sure it's in the 45 degrees angle, okay? So easy. And guys, make sure every time you use your knife, sharpen it before and after, okay? That's it. It's easy, right? We're gonna be cutting chicken wings, so I need my knife sharp. So today I will show you how to make chicken wings and take this into the next level. Personally, I think this is one of the nicest ways anyone can prep chicken wings. It brings a smile to everyone's faces, especially the kids at a party. And even better because it goes well with any kind of sauce you want. So, ready, set, go! Okay, for those picky eater kids, when they see these chicken lollipops, for sure they will change their mind. They will love it all the time, especially for a party. So for more videos, please subscribe to the channel, Sit at My Table, and please don't forget to click the bell button to get notified for new videos. So, have fun cooking, guys!